Here's how to make a custom brush on Procreate. First, click the paintbrush icon on the top right-hand corner. You'll see a drop-down menu of all of the built-in brushes. Now I really want to keep all of the original brushes, so let's duplicate one. To duplicate a brush, swipe to the right, and there will be 3 options. The middle one is duplicate. Double tap one of the brushes to bring up the Brush Studio. Here, there are tons of customization options. Now let's just play around with the settings. Look at what happens when I change the spacing. What about streamline? I don't see much of a change with this one, but now we can go to jitter. And with this one, you can clearly see a difference. Fall off makes it start disappearing at the ends. Now I'm not going to go through all of these here, but you can play with each different setting on the left. Now once you're satisfied with it, it's time to start drawing. Oh, that looks too small. Now to delete it, tap with 2 fingers and change the size on the right-hand bar on the top. Now this is definitely what I had in mind. Now let's say you want to change the color. I'm going to delete this with a 2-finger tap, and on the top right-hand corner there's a color bubble where you'll be able to change the hue. Now here's another really cool way to change the color scheme. Go back to your brush menu, double tap, and on the left, let's click on Color Dynamics. I'm just going to play with this at random. It seems like you can't really see much of the changes happening. Now the only settings I changed are the color pressure hue and the color hit settings, just by a little bit. Now let's see how this looks. Oh, I like this a lot better. The more pressure I put, the more it changes. Now there are a ton of other settings when it comes to customizing brushes. So just play around with them and see all of the settings that you like to play with. I hope this overview helps you get started. Thanks for watching Art with Bianca. Like, subscribe, and share.